So I said we had a dummy. Well, I have got a dummy in here. So I'll just introduce you to the dummy. Bet you know who it is already, don't you? Look at him. Oh, he's like a male mogul. Hey, no, you look great.
Good evening, Wayne.
We haven't got a helmet to fit, never mind.
No, it sounds like we've got a cold.
Yeah, you look great, mate. Hey,
you
you
think
look
so?
a picture.
What is it, this fancy bit of new kit?
This is high-tech, this.
Is it?
This is an inflatable jacket.
It doesn't feel high-tech.
No. Oh,
no, that's
it's gone off
thing.
already, is it? Oh, no, sorry, that's you. My apologies.
No, it feels like a regular jacket, doesn't it?
Does it? Fit comfy?
It fits comfy. It's got all the belts and buckles and zips and pockets and things that
Is
you
it the right
need.
size?
Well, I said to the salesman, have you got a jacket to fit me off the peg? And he said, if I have, somebody's getting sacked. That's another story.
Yeah, that's like a joke, but not funny. Anyway, right, so, you feel all right? You feel comfy?
I feel fine, Wayne. It feels all right, yeah.
Well, it is. It's high-tech. This is an inflatable jacket. I mean, they're not the only guys to produce this. There is, in fact, some R&D going on at the moment with a company called Danny Sport. They're British-based, but that won't be out for another year or so. And Spiddy, they're having a dabble at it. It seems to be the thing for the future.
Jackets of the future.
Yeah, but this is actually available now.
Yes, and it's what, 500 quid?
Well, you get a bit of change out of that, but nonetheless, yeah, in that ballpark area.
And it's got this on it?
That's, you see, that's what you need. This is the bit that attaches to the bike.
So that goes around my handlebars or somewhere?
Yeah, somewhere on the bike, nice and firm.
Yeah.
And then, as you go flying through the air, and it inflates,
and it goes
and you
off.
land on all the various different bits that are obviously protecting you.
OK, then obvious question. If I forget when I jump off my bike at the petrol station or at the corner shop and I
That's because you're just getting on in years now and you get a bit forgetful.
Yeah, I get a bit senile, a bit
OK, well,
mad.
it won't matter because...
Am I not going to set it off by accident?
No, because you need 30 kilograms of sort of load to actually activate this.
Do you really? So
Yeah.
you won't be able to work this then, will you?
I will if I put my foot right up against you like that and give it a good tug. No, I won't because I'm such a slight of a chap.
Right.
This is very true.
So
But don't you worry about that. We are going to demonstrate
It's going
this.
to blow up, is it?
It will blow up.
Do I need to put
wish
this
I
down?
could blow you up. I've wanted this for all my life.
Shall I put this down?
Pull this down,
Right.
yes.
I'm ready for action.
Yeah, be ready.
Go on then.
Are you ready?
Go on
3,
then.
2, 1. Whoa. Before I go any further, I said, didn't I, that it needs a fair bit of load, a bit of weight behind it. And obviously I'm not the right person for this. So I've got just the man, Gary. Now, come on, Gary, you do your business here now. Stick your... you need to sort of put a fair bit of weight behind this to make it activate. Look at this. How does this feel, Paul?
That doesn't mean heck.
What do you reckon?
Wow.
Turn around, let's have a look. Yeah, look at that. Oh, and it's all down here. What a lovely firm buttock you've got there, love. Hey, that is ace, that. And a brace round the collar.
It's really gripping me tight.
Yeah.
It's like somebody's got you in a full Nelson or something like that. Yeah.
Big wrestling job on. But I mean, do you feel like it's going to serve the purpose?
Well, it's certainly going to improve your chances, isn't it? I mean, because your neck's supported. My head can't go back.
No?
My head can't go back.
And you're supported in here and everywhere. I mean, I can hear it hissing now. You know what's happening now?
It's going down, is it?
It's deflating, yeah, because otherwise, if it didn't, you'd go bouncing down the road like a bomb.
Right.
The bouncing bomb. But as obviously there's pressure and load on it, it'll release the air.
It's terrific. What a strange sensation.
Is it really?
Fantastic. Yeah. I wouldn't like to experience it too often, like, you know.
No, I can understand that.
It would certainly improve your chances. But I've got to ask the question, if it's going down now,
yeah,
500 quid?
Yeah.
Is that it? Is it being used, throw it away, what?
Oh, no. Unlike a helmet, whereby if you bang a helmet, you do throw it away.
You do.
And you buy a new one. No, not with this. No, basically, all you need to do with this is, first of all, fit a new canister, and I just happen to have one in my pocket. Right. So you basically reload the canister unit, stick one of those in there.
Right.
You fold in the collar at the back, and then a few little trimmings around the back here. Just turn round. This has to be put back up here into its own little pouch, and it fits here. And that's about it, really. Minutes. To make it back as it was, and then you can go and test it again.
Start again, eh?
We could test it again now.
It's fantastic.
Here we go. Hey.